Good evening, everyone. How are you? Hope you are well. Today, I will discuss some trick about how to solve the alphabetical test series or alphabetical ordered series in the examinations. Firstly, we all know that A to Z 26 letter. Now I have writing here. We all know that A to Z alphabets are there and they are remarked as A for 1, Z for 26, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, these are the alphabet. Now, in my previous video, I told the question may come from this type of topics. Which of the following elements is third, suppose third, to the left of the element which is 10 from the left hand. On that video, I teach how to solve. That means which of the element is third to the left of the 10th element from the left hand. Left hand 10th element Z with respect to 1, 2, 3. So you have to count. Okay. Now today you will learn how to solve first. Now listen. These are the some trick to solve first. Now listen. There are 4 rules are there. There are 4 rules are there. The rules are left element, I am not written full, left element minus left element is equal to left element. So you can understand, sir, what how it is possible? Left element minus left element is equal to left element. Listen very carefully. Next I will discuss. First, just note down this point. Right element minus right element is equal to right element. Third rule, left element plus right element is equal to left element. Right element plus left element is equal to right element. So now I will discuss the concept of how this tricks is working on the examinations on the base of alphabetical series. On the base of alphabetical series. Now listen very carefully. Left element minus left element is equal to left element. So it is very clearly understand. Suppose the question is 13. Now listen. Now can you see here? 13 element from left minus 8 element from, suppose 8 element from left. So 13 minus 8, that means 5th element. So now 13 element from left minus 8th element from left is the 5th element. So 5th element from left. So the answer is E. That means if you can consider which of the following element is 8 to the left of the 13th element from the left hand. So left of the 13th element, that means 10, 11, 12, 13. With respect to M, counter back 8, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is E. You clearly first these types of question in this examinations hall. Now next, right element minus right element is equal to right element. Suppose 13 element from right minus 8 element from right. Okay, now there the rules are saying right element, so that means 13 element minus 8 element, so fifth element. Okay, fifth element, so this fifth element is your from right side. Now the question is, which of the following element is 8 to the right of the element which is 13 from the right end? So 13 from the right end, now consider Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, n with respect to n 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so the answer is V. Clear? This is the fastest trick. Okay, now I will discuss the rule number 3rd. Okay, now left element plus right element, these two rules will be applicable in each and every examination point of view. These two rules may be easy, but these two rules is typically considered, you have to be reminded, or you have to memorize these types of rule in the examinations hall. Left element plus right element is equal to left element. Now clearly understood. 13 element from left end, 8th element from right end. That means plus sign is equal to 21. This 21 is your left element. So that means A, B, C, D, E, F, 21 say here U. So U is your answer. U is your answer. Hope you understand. Now rule number 4 says, right element plus left element is your right element. So right element, suppose 13 is the right element and 8 is your left element. So the answer is 21. This is the plus sign. So 21 is your right side. So when we count from 21 from the right side, that means your answer is F. Am I clear? 1 minute. Oh, W for W, P, W, X, Y, Z. Z 26, 25, 24, 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So F. So 8 is your answer. Clearly understand? So hope you are understand what I am saying. Now one more tricks are there. That means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Now listen very carefully. If you memorize these tricks, then in an examinations hall, you can easily solving the any types of question from the alphabetical series or alphabetical order in a very fast way. Now listen carefully. You know that if 5 means E, similarly 10 means J, 15 means O, 20 means T and 25 means E. So just remember E, Jo, T. If you remember this word in an examinations hall, you will not write A for 1, B for 2 up to Z for 26. This is the tricks. And now here 3, C, F, 9 for, just remember 3, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, H, I, G, H, I, okay, J, K, L, M, N, M, N, O, P, Q, P, Q, R, S, T, U, X. So C, F, I, Lorax. Just remember what I am saying. E, Jo, T, one word, and Lorax or Philorax. Now listen very carefully. Philorax. Just remember this here to here, here to there. Philorax and First word is C. Cephalorhexis. So the word, two words you should be remembered in the examinations hall. Cephalorhexis, and Ejoty. Okay. So this is the first chapter of reasoning subject. If you think this video is helpful to you, then please like, share as much as possible, and also subscribe this channel.